Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to discuss answer for science and technology area. Today prelims exam conducted, from that science and technology area questions answer I'm going to discuss. So straight away we move on to the questions. So question number 79 from the set B question, it discusses about the aerial metagenomics. Aerial metagenomics best refers to which one of the following situation? Collecting DNA samples from air in a habitat at one go, option A. Option B, understanding the genetic makeup of avian species of a habitat using, third option, using airborne devices to collect blood samples from moving animals. D, sending drones to inaccessible areas to collect plant and animal samples from land surface and water bodies. So aerial metagenomics is collecting DNA samples from air. So option A is the answer. Question number 80. Microsatellite DNA is used in case of which one of the following? Microsatellite DNA is a DNA study mechanism where we use that technique to mark for finding the linkages. So which means option A, studying the evolutionary relationship among various species of fauna, stimulating stem cells to transform into diverse functional tissues, promoting clonal propagation of horticultural plants, assessing the efficacy of drugs by conducting series of drug trials in a population. So as per my explanation, it is option A, studying the evolutionary relationship among various species of fauna. That is what microsatellite DNA is used for. Next question number 81, it is about Janani Suraksha Yojna. It is a first statement, it is a safe motherhood intervention of the state health departments. Yes, it is a motherhood intervention only, but it comes under the national health mission, and it is a 100% centrally sponsored scheme. So it is not state health departments. Because of that, this statement is wrong. Its objective is to reduce maternal and neonatal mortality among poor pregnant women. It is a correct statement. It aims to promote institutional delivery among poor pregnant women. It is also the correct statement. Its objective includes providing public health facilities to sick infants up to 1 year of age. It discusses about gives help to the infant who are facing problem during birth, and it is not giving public health facilities to sick infants up to 1 year of age. So it is a wrong statement, fourth statement. Therefore, the option is only 2. Option B is the answer. Question number 82. It is about Anemia Mukt Bharat strategy. So it provides prophylactic calcium supplementation for preschool children, adolescents, and pregnant women. So these are the interventions under this scheme. The statements. It runs a campaign for delayed cord clapping at the time of childbirth. It provides for periodic deworming to children and adolescents. It addresses non-nutritional causes of anemia in endemic pockets with a special focus on malaria, hemoglobinopathies, and fluorosis. And all the statements are correct with respect to the interventions taken, interventions under Anemia Mukt Bharat strategy. Therefore, all 4 statements are correct here. Therefore, option D is the answer for this. And question number 83, consider the following statements. Carbon fibers are used in the manufacture of components used in automobiles and aircrafts. Yes, carbon fibers are used in the manufacturing of automobiles and aircrafts. First statement is correct. Carbon fibers once used cannot be recycled. Carbon fibers as such, if it is used, means it is difficult to melt and make new products. It is difficult to recycle also. So carbon fiber waste that can be recycled. We have technology to recycle the carbon fibers waste. Therefore, second statement is also correct statement. Option both are correct. 84, question number 84. Consider the following actions. Detection of car crash or collision which results in the deployment of airbags almost instantaneously. Detection of, second statement, detection of accidental free fall of a laptop toward the ground which results in the immediate turning of the hard drive. Third statement, detection of tilt of a smartphone which results in the rotation of display between portrait and landscape mode. In how many of the above actions the function of accelerometer is required? In all. So these things we have come across in our day to day life. All these things we were able to witness because of the presence of accelerometer. Therefore, all are correct, all three are correct. Option C. C is the answer for 84th question. 85th question, with reference to the role of biofilters in recirculating aquaculture system, consider the following statements. Biofilters provide waste treatment by removing uneaten fish feed is a correct option. Biofilters convert ammonia present in fish waste to nitrate, that is also correct option with respect to the biofilters. Biofilters increase phosphorus as nutrient for fish in water. No, biofilters decrease phosphorus. Therefore, this is the wrong option. Therefore, only 2 is the correct. Option B is the right for 85. 86th question. Consider the following pairs. Objects in space one side given and its description on the other side is given. See if it's with respect to that they have given giant clouds of dust and gas in space. Nebula, stars which brighten and dim periodically. Pulsars, neutron stars that are formed when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse. So, if pulsars are formed, it is a neutron star and it is formed when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse, that is correct. But nebula is a giant cloud of dust and gas in space. That means nebula is for explanation for nebula is that first statement, and the sea fits, the explanation is second statement. Stars which brighten and the dim periodically, that is a correct. Therefore, these two statements are matched, not matched properly. Therefore, here how many pairs are correctly matched? Only one pair is correctly matched. Therefore, option A is the answer for this. So, 86 option A is the answer. 87, which one of the following countries has its own satellite navigation system? So, here Australia, Canada, Israel they have given, and among the given, I mean Japan also given, among the given 4 countries, Japan only has the satellite navigation system, its own satellite navigation system. How India has its own satellite navigation system. So, Japan is the answer, D is the answer. 88, consider the following statements. Ballistic missiles are jet propelled at subsonic speeds throughout their flights, while cruise missiles are rocket powered only in the initial phase of flight. No, ballistic missiles are rocket powered only in the initial phase, and whereas in the cruise missiles are jet propelled. Therefore, just they have interchanged. Therefore, this statement is wrong. And the second statement, Agni 5 is a medium range subsonic cruise missile. No, it is not a medium range, it is a intercontinental missile. So, it is not medium range, because of that it is wrong. And also what, BrahMos is a solid fuel intercontinental ballistic, not ballistic missile, it is a cruise missile. Therefore, this second statement is also wrong statement. Therefore, both are wrong, neither one nor D, neither one nor 2. So, option D is the answer for that question. Now, we will discuss some of the other questions. Question number 96, statement 1 says, according to the United Nations World Water Development Report 2022, India extracts more than a quarter of world's groundwater withdrawal each year. So, as per the report, India extracts 26% of the world's groundwater. That is the correct statement, first statement. The second statement says, India needs to extract more than a quarter of the world's groundwater each year to satisfy the drinking water and the sanitation needs of almost 18% of world's population living in its territory. So, among the 26%, 89% being used for irrigation, maximum number of percentage is used for irrigation, only 11% used for other purposes. Therefore, here the second statement is wrong statement, they have said 18%. Therefore, what is the answer for this question? Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Option C is the answer. Question number 55, it discusses about consider the following pairs which regard to the sports awards. It discusses about the sports awards. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award for the most spectacular and outstanding performance by a sports person over a period of last 4 years. So, it the highest award given to the sports person, this is the correct match. And whereas the Arjuna award is the second highest award given to the sports person, and it is not for lifetime achievement. Therefore, this is the wrong match. Dronacharya Award to honor eminent coaches. That is the correct statement. Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar. They have said here to recognize the contribution made by sports person even after the retirement. It is the contribution made by the corporates and other sports bodies to improve the sports in country. So that means this is wrong. So which means two pairs are matched correctly. Therefore, only two, option B is the answer. Question number 18. Consider the following statements. One, the central government notifies an area as community reserve. Followed by four statements they have given. The chief wildlife warden of the state becomes the governing authority of such forest. It is not the chief wildlife warden, it is the community people who is going to become the governing authority of the such forest. So, therefore, this is wrong. Hunting is not allowed in such area, that is correct. People of such area are allowed to collect non-timber forest produce, that is also correct. People of such area are allowed traditional agriculture practices, that is also correct. Therefore, one is not correct. Therefore, only three statements are correct. Okay, thank you.